The map view displays addresses or geographical coordinates on a map. You can even view addresses or coordinates from multiple sources in one map, which can help you track locations of various types of resources at once. For example, you can view warehouse locations, client addresses, and office locations all at once. To start using the map view, choose the view from the drop-down menu directly above a table. Then you need to set up the location attribute that contains the addresses or coordinates. You can display multiple columns with locations from one table. Then there is also the color attribute. If you have an attribute that in some way categorizes the records from the table and has either the color or the selection attribute type, you can set it as the color attribute. The pins on the map, representing the individual records, will then be colored according to their categories. To display values from another table, click on the search bar located on the top of the screen and select the other table. Another set of attributes will appear in the settings. Then set them up in the same way as the first set of attributes. You can edit the values of records easily by double-clicking on the pins directly on the map. That will open the record in a detailed view. Also, if you drag the pin to the different location on a map, Lumeer will automatically update the location with the nearest address within the new area of the pin. You can create a new record by right-clicking on the map. The new record will have the coordinates of the place you clicked into. In the upper right corner, there are buttons for zooming in and out of the map. The third button is used to rotate the map. Just hold it with the left mouse button and rotate it. There is a button in the lower right corner that will move you to your current location. You can add another unique layer to the map. For example, you may want to include a more detailed map, like a building plan for some location. You can add the new layer by simply providing a URL link to the image in the image layer attribute. For the best performance, it is recommended to use maps in vector graphics format. However, PNG and JPEG formats are also supported.